Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you're looking to have no nasty odors in your home, I highly recommend this odor eliminating spray from Nonaste. I love that this spray doesn't just cover up strong odors, it actually eliminates them. There is no fragrance, it just leaves the area free of odors, which personally I prefer because it's a lot more inconspicuous and it's not overpowering at all. This sprayer is really easy to use, and I love the super fine mist that it sprays because it covers lots of surface area to get all of those stinky odors. And the lock keeps it from being accidentally sprayed. It's a great deodorizer for things that are hard to wash, like this cedar closet. It must have had smelly clothes in it for a while from the previous owner because I tried everything to get the smell out. And with this spray from Nonaste, I was able to give it a couple treatments and air it out, and there is no smell left behind. So if you're looking to actually eliminate foul odors and not just mask them with a strong fragrance, I highly recommend this odor eliminating spray from Nonaste. And that's my point of view.